Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about data types, specifically in Microsoft Access. Now, every field in a table has properties, and these properties define the field characteristics and behavior. Now, we created tables in previous videos and we are going to determine what types of data types Access has. Now, what is a data type? Now, data type is what determines the kind of value that users can store in any given field. So let's proceed by opening a table. So we are going to open the customers table. All right, so we are in the datasheet view. So let's go ahead and change it back to the design view. So we just go here and change it to design view. Now you can see here that we have field name, we have data type, we have description. This video is going to discuss the meaning and types of data types we have in the Microsoft Access. Now, before I proceed, the the field name is can span up to 64 characters. That means it gives you options up to 64 characters. Now, what are data types? As I said earlier, now what are data types? Now, data type in Access helps determine the kind of data that you can store in the particular field. So, as you can see here, we have an ID. I can choose to store an ID as a number or large number, or I can make Access automatically generate numbers for me. So here are some common types of the data types you see in your Access. Now, short text. Short text combines a combination of text and numbers and does not require calculation. It also spans up to 255 characters. So you have up to 255 characters of words or text. We have the now long text is the you can see here long text. Long text it spans more than 255. So long text is a higher form of short text. All right, the next thing here is number. Number. Number here helps you input numeric data for mathematical calculation. So you can just input integers, you can input examples 1, 2, 3 numbers as your data type. The next thing here is large number. Large number is the same as numbers, but larger than number. The next thing here is date and time. Date and time it helps you input dates, value for the years through to 1999 and so on. So the next thing here is also currency. So currency helps you key in currency such as money values and numeric values that come in the form of currency such as the dollar sign, 0.00, etc. All right, the next thing here is auto number. We saw auto number first. Auto number gives you the ability to generate random numbers. So Microsoft Access is going to generate random numbers sequentially for you, starting from 1 and then increasing it by 1. So example, it can just generate numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The next thing here is the yes and no. Yes and no values helps you choose whether something is true or false, on or off, and things like that. So just a box, just tick yes or no. If it's no, that means the box is not going to be ticked. All right. Other data types include the only objects. Only object helps you store pictures, videos, and other stuffs, audio, etc. And it spans up to 2 gig of data. So you can store up to 2 gig of data using the only. The next thing here is the hyperlink. Now, hyperlink helps you store links such as emails, addresses, and stuff like that. Now, the next thing here is attachment. What attachment does here? Attachment. What it does is that it helps you add files such as digital photos, multiple files, and etc. And it does that per record. So this is similar to only objects, but only objects helps you store them, and then attachment only helps you attach them for a while. And both attachment and only objects span up to 2 gig. So you can attach and you can save objects up to 2 gigs. So only objects can help you save up to 2 gigs. Attachment 2 can also help you save up to 2 gigs. The next thing here is calculated. Now, calculated, what it does is that it helps you designate, or you can just store calculation down, so that you just when you just want to store a value, it automatically calculates in the background for you. You don't have to come and do any calculation like in Excel. Okay, the last thing here is lookup wizard. Lookup wizard, what it actually does is an entry type of it's an entry type of data. That means it helps you enter data in columns. For example, when you want to store data, or maybe when you're filling a form and you see male or female, like it helps you, it gives you option. Like example, when you are solving questions online, you see ABC, lookup wizard can help you do that. Gives you options in column form. All right, so thank you, and please subscribe, and please watch out for the next video. In our next video, I'm going to be talking about relationships. So we are going to key in a couple of field names that will help us really understand what relationships are. Thank you.